So I'll be showing you how to enable automatic app updates on your iPhone. Now I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions should work on other iPhone models as well. So this one is running iOS 16. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down and find App Store. Tap on that. Under the App Store settings, go to App Updates and turn that on. Now once you do that, your applications will be installing updates automatically. You don't need to go to the App Store and find a specific app to update. All your apps will be updating automatically as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, of course. Now, if you want to have apps downloading over cellular data, you can turn that on. But then, of course, you have a cap that it has to ask if the app is over 200 MB, which of course you can disable if you want to. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.